Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Karen. Welcome back sa ating Usapang Pera, how to save money, lifestyle, and other related topics. This morning, I'm excited because share ko sa inyo kung paano ako nagkaroon ng extra income while staying sa dorm. Kasi diba, I went back to law school at nagdo-dorm ako. So now, share ko sa inyo kung ano yung ginawa ko to have additional income here. So nag-isip ako, and the timing na yung mga dormmates ko, sa akin sila naghahanap kung may extra supply ng snacks, drinks, frozen products. I decided to open a sari-sari store dito sa dorm mismo. And today, I'm excited because isi-share ko sa inyo kung magkano yung income ko starting nung nag-open ako last August 28, 2025 up to yesterday kasi wala pa akong income today. Alright, so share ko sa inyo kung magkano, and this is just to inspire you guys na kahit nasaan tayo, pwede tayong kumita, maghanap lang tayo ng way, tamang diskarte para mangyari yan. And take note, this is my first time to do this. Ngayon lang talaga ako nakatry magbenta at mag-open ng sari-sari store, and it's very exciting, especially yung pag nagbibili na sa tindahan para for my inventory. Doon ako na-excited. Doon ako natutuwa. So, and of course, ito yung naging income natin. So, we have this time, ito yung ika-count na natin. So, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 5,000 tag 1,000. So, meron tayong isang 500 and 1, 2, 3, 4, apat na 100. So, 5,900. Yan. Pero meron tayong tag 2 peso. 20 pesos pala. So, we have tatlong 100. So, that's 300. And then, meron tayong 10 pesos na apat. And then, meron din tayong 60 pesos, nagtatag 5 pesos yan. Ayan. Very exciting. And 20 pesos na isa. And then, piso na apat na 5 pesos na 1 peso each. Ganyan. So, that's 5, 10, 15, 20. 20 pesos. So, we'll count lahat kung magkano. So, 6,360 pesos. Yan. Yan lahat. So, imagine, ito yung nalikom ko from August 2028 to 2025 until yesterday. So, diba, meron akong extra income. So, just a tip lang, this will go to the bank for my savings. Kasi gusto kong dagdagan yung savings ko. And, yun lang, just to inspire you to find other ways para madagdagan yung income. Thank you so much for watching, guys. So again, my name is Karen. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and always take care. See you next time.